Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the image and getting its foundation right. Once you open Snapseed, tap the plus and pick your photo. Make sure you choose the composition you want. Next, crop and straighten to remove distractions and frame your subject, because a good crop reduces later edits. Then go into Tools and open Tune Image to adjust exposure, contrast, and white balance. Those controls set the tone for every following change. Once your base is settled, you refine locally. Use selective to target highlights or shadows where the global tune missed the subject. Drag to change intensity and pinch to resize the mask. For sensor dust or skin imperfections, use healing with careful sampling. Make small strokes and check edges. Then apply details and curves to sharpen texture and sculpt contrast. These layers bring depth without overprocessing, so work incrementally and toggle the preview to compare changes. To finish, review your stack so you can tweak individual adjustments later. This keeps edits non-destructive and reversible. When satisfied, tap Export and choose Save a Copy or Export to Share without overriding your original file, because preserving the source enables re-edits. If something goes wrong, like lost edits or crashes, make sure you first save a copy, then clear the app cache or reinstall if needed. That simple backup step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.